Welcome to Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Today we're reviewing the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro, one of Amazon's most popular personal blenders. Let's see if it's worth buying in 2026. With a powerful 900-watt motor, this compact blender is designed for smoothies, protein shakes, frozen drinks, sauces, and more. It features a powerful blending system, 3 BPA-free travel cups, spill-proof lids, dishwasher-safe parts, and a compact design that fits easily on any kitchen counter. The Ninja easily crushes ice, blends frozen fruit, and creates smooth drinks in seconds. It's fast, reliable, and perfect for everyday use. What we like: powerful performance, easy cleaning, compact size, and excellent value. The only downside is that it's slightly noisy and best suited for single servings. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful personal blender, the Ninja Nutri-Blender Pro is a great choice for smoothies, shakes, and everyday blending. Thanks for watching Smart Kitchen Products Hub. Like, subscribe, and find today's Amazon link and full review in the description. See you next time.